Welcome back! Now that we have sound and can shape it with filters, envelopes, and reverb, it's time to add motion and rhythm with modulation and sequencing. Let's start with modulation. Modulation means automatically changing parameters over time. A simple way to do this is with an LFO, or low-frequency oscillator. In the VCV fundamental library, search for LFO. It outputs slow waveforms, like sine or square, that we can use to modulate pitch, filter cutoff, or amplitude. Try this. Take the sine output of the LFO and connect it to the frequency input of your VCF filter. Now the filter moves up and down by itself. Use the LFO's frequency knob to control how fast it modulates, and the amplitude or attenuator to control how much. Let's add a sequencer to create melodies or rhythms. Search for SEQ3, a basic step sequencer with 3 rows. To make it move, we need a clock module. A clock sends a steady stream of pulses, like a metronome for your patch. Each pulse tells the sequencer to move 1 step forward. Connect clock output to the SEQ3 clock input. Row 1 output to the VCO's 1 volt per octave input for pitch, and gate output to the envelope trigger. Now when the clock ticks, the sequencer moves step by step. Each step sends a different pitch and gate, triggering sound. Adjust the sliders to change your melody. Use the clock rate to set tempo. Want more variation? Try random voltages or logic modules. With just LFOs and a sequencer, you've unlocked a new world of motion and pattern in your patch. In the next video, we'll explore generative ideas and more advanced modulation. See you there!